This morning we've got a 1969 Chevy Classic Restored Cheyenne K10. This truck has an amazing stance and look, which is what drew us to purchase it. We were told the truck was show quality, and looking at the pictures, of course pictures can be deceiving, we believed it. But also knowing what show quality really means, and also knowing that these trucks are bringing 100 to 150,000 across the board at different auction platforms and other areas, we doubted it, but purchased it anyway, and not disappointed. But one cool thing is it is LS swapped. They did a pretty decent job. Like with anything, you can critique somebody's work, but they did a pretty decent job. They did leave all the AC system intact. Does not have a compressor, but it didn't get all gutted like most, so it could probably still be adapted. Don't know any history on the motor, don't know the mileage, but it has been LS swapped. Body lines are nice and straight. But there are some paint imperfections that I don't think this video is going to show, nor do pictures show, but you might can catch it just right and see the little trash and pimples in the paint, which very well could be wet sanded and buff possibly. We're not paint experts, but to walk up on this truck at 5 or 10 feet, you would be blown away. It's amazing looking. Also underneath of this truck's very impressive because they at least started with a very rust-free truck. As you can see from the underside, it may have had some stuff done to it, but there's still some things that we would do a little differently, and are planning on doing a little differently. Front drive shaft not in it. We're going to see about dealing with that. It has a old school steering linkage. We're going to try to adapt that a little better. A couple mounts and bolts and other things that we want to change. Clean up some wiring if time permits. But again, we didn't build this truck, we purchased it. Does have an extremely nice, clean, bed's a little stubborn. Spray and bed liner. There's a drive shaft. A bunch of other little miscellaneous parts up in this box here. But even in all the little cracks and crevices, it's not all rusted up, which is nice. Tailgate opens and closes well, but it fits real tight to the cover, so you got to yank on it to open it. Let's see if the battery is dead or not. It does have digital gauges. That's another nice touch. Oh, we might be in luck. Battery might not be dead. Pretty shocked. Figured the battery would be dead. The truck's been sitting for a week or two since we got a chance to get over here and do a video. We'll try to get it out in the sunlight today and do a a couple more pictures and video. But again, not a perfect truck. It definitely could use, does have a tilt steering column, billet steering wheel adapter, and a GT Grant wheel. Floor shift 4x4, automatic shifter on the column. Custom door panels. Somebody's put a lot of effort in it, but just like with any of these projects, just need somebody that can go over the little fine line, little touches, and you know, make little brackets. It's mounted pretty good, I guess. Clean up wires, just simple things, but things that do take time. So again, understand that when you're finished, you will have a current market condition $100,000 truck, but you'll put a little effort in it. So we priced it reasonably fair. We had hoped, obviously, like with anything, that it was a little more perfect, but again, finding these trucks in general is about impossible. So happy to have it. Very pleased with its condition. We haven't put any paint underneath of it or undercoated it or tried to hide anything. You can see it's a pretty good specimen truck for what's here to work with. Next step will be in the off-road shop to get a few more touches done and see what time permits. Currently this truck's priced at $67,900, and that price will go up the more we spend, but is available. Check the website, davis4x4.com. If you have any questions, let us know. It does have a little broke spot in the grill where you have to reach for the hood. It does have upgraded newer style headlights, LED or projection beam or whatever they call the newer lights. A couple other classics and custom sitting in here. If you got any questions, reach out, give us a call, feel free. Hopefully this video helps give a few more details on that classic '69 truck. Thanks for watching.